Good morning children, welcome to class 2 computer. So continuing with the topic of categorized parts of computer. So today's topic we are going to see about output devices. So output devices, in this the results are displayed. See, you give a instruction through keyboard or mouse. So that one you can see on the screen or through take a printout. Okay. So the result is being displayed on the screen. So where and all the outputs can be seen? Screen. Screen is your monitor. Okay. Then you can take a printout on a paper or it's a sound. So you can using speakers, you can listen to the sound. So the outputs are displayed through screen, paper or sound, children. So the devices which are helped to give the output are called as output devices. Okay, the devices which help us to give the output are called as output devices. So individually we are going to see the output devices, children. The first one is your monitor. The monitor is like your screen where you can see the results. Whatever you type, that and all is visible on the screen, children. So that is the monitor. It displays the result. Okay, the monitor displays the result. The next is your printer. So in shops and all you would have seen printers. So in school also you could have observed printers. So it is the image or the text on paper. So you can take the image or any letter being typed, that one and all, you can take it as printout. The printout is called, another name is hard copy, because you are taking it on the paper, no. So it is called as hard copy or printout. Okay, in this way printer is an output device. Monitor is an output device. Okay, then coming to printer only, there are different types of printers are available, children. So that one we are going to see. The first one is your laser jet printer. Second one, inkjet printer. The third one, dot matrix printer. So once again I repeat the different types of printers: laser jet printer, inkjet printer, dot matrix printer. Okay, so these are the, just children, what are the types of printers are available. Then one more output device is your speakers. So using headphones or speakers attached to your computer, you can listen to the sound. That is also forms an output device. The sound you are hearing, no, that forms your output. Okay, children. So speaker is also an output device. So the next one we are going to see is, children, processing device. See, we have seen a computer attached. What are the parts means? Keyboard, mouse, monitor, and one more important part which does all the instructions, no, that is your processing device. Okay, that is your processing device. Okay, so which part is that? So it is the CPU. Okay, it is the CPU. The CPU expansion is Central Processing Unit. Okay, Central Processing Unit. So children, the CPU is called as the brain of computer. Okay, see, for how our body, our brain works now. So like that, for computer it is the CPU. See, whatever instructions you give to the computer, that is being carried out by, the work is carried out by this CPU, children. That's why it is called as the brain of the computer. So where it is placed, this processing unit means it is inside the CPU box. So children, I am going to show you some of the output devices given in your textbook. So the first one is your monitor. Then you have the printer, children. Okay, and the pictures of different printers are given. laser jet printer, inkjet printer and dot matrix printer. These three printers are being given. Then next one, here in the small box it is given children as an insight. It is the fastest printer, no? It can print 330 color pages in 1 minute. Okay, that much fast it is. So it can print 330 colored pages in 1 minute. Okay. Then you have the speakers children here. So you would have seen speakers. Then this is your CPU. Inside this only this chip is being kept inside the CPU box. Okay. This one does all the instructions. Okay. So it is being kept inside the CPU box children. And in the page number 14 you can color this computer system children by given. So they have told to color input devices with blue color and output devices with orange color. So identify which are input devices and output devices and color it in the respective ones children. Okay, that's all in today's class children. Thank you. See you in the next class.